All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So, filled me in. Yeah, tell me all the information, all the new information, all the ideas and the gossip. Yes, all the information. Oops, what's going on? That happened there. Huh. Okay, yeah. Ah, there we are. Yeah, all the information. Yeah. He filled me in on the recent events. She filled me in on the recent events. Yeah. Yeah, they filled her in on the recent updates. Yeah, things have happened. I didn't know, so I need to be told about it, learn about it. She filled me in on the gossip. Yeah. She told me about the latest events. She filled me in on the gossip, on the stories, for example. They filled her in on the news. Filled her in on the news. They told her what was happening. They told her what was happening. Yeah. They were filled in. They were filled in just now. Yeah. On the news. How cool is that? Yeah. So do you think that is enough? Fill me in and tell me everything. I want to know what happened. I want to know what happened last night. Fill me in. I want to know what happened. Fill me in. Yeah. It is important that I know. So fill me in. Fill us in, really. Fill us in on what happened. It's important. Fill me in. Tell me. Tell someone the latest information. Yeah, tell me what happened. What did you see? What's changed? And beyond. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use fill me in a sentence? Comment below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.